suspect who have a relationship with the victims. First suspect, Ma Hong-chun, Jae-suk's girlfriend and recently quarreled with Jae-suk. Second suspect, Dong-hee, Jae-suk's old friend who had a good relationship with him. Third suspect, Juna, Jae-suk's neighbor who has criminally called for murder. Okay, last suspect, Myung-soo, Ma Hong-chun's older boyfriend from the past, but Jae-suk takes away Ma Hong-chun from him. Diddling. So based on 4 key suspects, guess who the attacker and why did that? Try to use your intuition and imagination. I will give you 3 minutes to do. Let's do it with your group. You 3 group, you 3 and you 3 group. What am I supposed